Mommy, what's that?
Today I'm bringing a review of the TonieBox. So this is a simple audio box that is extremely durable and it allows kids to listen to music and or stories that's on the Tonie. So we have a multitude of different Tonies. So these are just four of various Tonies that you can purchase. And the one that I really like is the Creative Tonie. So the Creative Tonie, you can download the app and you can read a story, or if you want to sing a song or whatever you want to put on it, you can put on it. And once you put it on your Tonie, it will, play whatever you record. So in this case, my husband read a book and you can do the volume up
Strawberry,
so you can hear it.
lollipop, pie,
And then you have your volume down.
cake, sausage.
One thing I do want to note with the Creative Tonie is that it's pretty cool. Well, this you have to have Wi-Fi. And so the person who wants to record can record on the app away from home. And when the child places this back on, just say the next day after you record it, it will upload whatever the newest recording is. So they do have that option. And then let's just say Lion King. So you place your Lion King on and it will start playing music. And a lot of the different Tonies will have, a decent amount of music, and then they start telling stories. And so you can do a lot of things with this with just the volume that I kind of explained before. And then if you want to forward, you can just hit the side, go to the next song. If you want to go back, just hit the other side. It'll take it back. Then you also can fast forward or rewind. So if you want to fast forward, you just turn it. And then if you want to rewind a little, you just tilt it this way. Okay. And then once again, you have your up and your down. The one thing that I kind of like, but kind of really actually don't like, is once you take this off, if you put it back on, it will start back from where it stopped. But if you place a new one on, and then you take this off and you want to put Lion King back on, it will start from the beginning. So you can't start from, where you stopped off. And then we have our dog here, and he plays just a lot of different kid songs, Baby Shark, Wheels on the Bus, it goes on and on. So that's pretty much kind of how it works. Last week, I want to say the last 2 weeks, we didn't charge it, and it finally died maybe a day ago. And so it will tell you that when it dies. And what you do is you see where it's supposed to charge here, and you just take it over and you place it on the charger there, and it charges. The only other thing I would want to bring up is the app, that it's user friendly, that it shows you what each Tonie offers. So once you get a Tonie, you want to download it into your app, or you want to register it rather into your app, and it will show you everything that's on it, all the songs that's on it, all the stories that's on the Tonie, so you can kind of see what each Tonie offers. The only thing that's probably a con with the app is that you can't control the Tonie through the app. The only one is really the Creative Tonie, where you can, record whatever you want, and that's kind of how you can control that Tonie through the app. But other than that, overall, I love it. I think it's very versatile for the kids. My 1-year-old and 3-year-old absolutely love it because they can control everything on their own. They can control the volume. They can control, fast forward and rewinding. It's very durable. We've dropped this a multitude of times and there has not been any issues. You see how it's soft basically, so you can kind of squeeze it. It's just very kid friendly, definitely for younger kids. And the best part about this, with my husband being in the military, is that he can read stories from afar, and when he's deployed or gone out of town, the kids can, have a story night with him or have bedtime story time listening to stories that he has read. So I definitely would suggest this for parents who travel a lot. One thing I also forgot to mention is all the Tonies are hand painted. So the con that I have with these is over time, we've had this for approximately a month or so, a little over a month. It's already starting to peel off. And then when the kids, put the Tonie on and they're scraping it, you're starting to see some of the paint that comes off on the Tonie. So that's really my only con as far as craftsmanship in regards to the Tonie.